In this video, we will show you how to replace your front license plate bracket on this Ford Ranger. This will be mounted directly to your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. This should be fairly easy overall. If you were to look inside this area, you're going to find that you have a push clip along the top portion of the bracket on each side. To remove your push clips, go ahead and remove the center portion and then remove the outer portion. Now that I have the center unlocked, we can just pull this down and out of place. Let's bring it down a little further. We'll just give that a quick inspection. Typically you do reuse these. We'll set this aside for now and we'll do the same on the other side of the plate bracket. There we are. We'll slide this out of place. There it is, friend. Okay, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new plate bracket. We'll take this and carefully put it in place. Now once you have it slid into position, continue on aligning the mounting points and putting in your two push clips. Put in the outer portion first and then lock it in by pressing in the center. We'll do the same on the other side of the plate bracket. Double check to make sure it's completely secure. At this point, you would want to remount your front license plate onto the bracket. Aside from that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.